pangalan namin na.
Ayun. Miss Uruguay! Judita! Judita Oscarpa!
Woo!
Alright, next.
And the second one, who will build up the top three? Miss Universe 2012 goes to Miss Kazak! Miss Kirigsan!
Lapan na lapan.
Dapat!
May sakit siya.
Sakit sa paa.
Sakit sa next.
For the top three contestants, top three finalists, they're 89 and isa na lang nakakalaga. Miss Slovakia!
Angola.
Over here, the president of the person. Okay,
Ako muna.
the first one will be asked is Miss Rina Lopez. Pipili sa ng mukha. Miss Bea Salonga.
Yun na, ulitin mo na lang ulit kanina.
Sige. What is the essence of a woman?
Di na ng 30. Just not a pizza, bastara. Kaya bastara rin natin na ba natin? Just not a beer, sila karatuta.
Projection.
What is that?
She said that everyone is fair and square. Thank you.
Alright, ulit next. Ano na? Next na ito. Wala. Announcement na. Announcement na pinag-
Yung kayo, oh.
The top two contestants go to
Yung kayo, ah.
Miss Kirigsa.
Sila, scuba diving.
Adobo.
Makakatanggap ng bigatan showcase.
Okay, go.
And the last one, who will up the top two? Goes to Miss Slovakia!
Wala mananalo na tayo.
And the winner for the Miss Universe 2012 goes to will it be Miss Kyrgyzstan or Miss Slovakia? And the winner!
Yung puso niya, tumitin mo.
Kinakain na ka ba kayo?
Hindi, oh.
Miss Slovakia! The first runner-up is Miss Kyrgyzstan! Kaya naman. Oh, yung ano, Miss Mexico will take over her crown as the Miss Universe 2011. She will take her first walk as the Miss Universe 2012 pala.
Message.
What's that? Ayan.
She said,